In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Steam no connection issue even when your internet is working perfectly. Let's get started. Before we start troubleshooting, it's a good idea to check whether the issue is actually from Steam itself. Launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Tan Detector, search for Steam. If the servers are down or having issues, then the problem is on their side, and all you have to do is wait until they are back online. Now, if everything looks fine, you can follow these steps. Completely close Steam from your device and again relaunch it. Double-click on Taskbar, select the option Task Manager. Now navigate to the section All Processes. Find Steam. Double-click on it, select the option End Task. Now you can close this, launch your Steam. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next, close this. Navigate to the Steam shortcut, double-click on it, select the option Run as Administrator. This might resolve the issue. Next up, in the search bar, type in View Network Connections, launch it. Now click on the network you are connected to, right-click on it, select the option Disable, wait for a few minutes and then again click on Enable. This will refresh your network and this might resolve the issue. Next, launch your Steam app, then head over to the option Steam, go to the option Settings. Now navigate to the section Downloads. Here you will find the option of Clear Cache. Click on that. Click on Confirm. This will restart your Steam app. Likewise, again click on the option Steam, go to Settings, navigate to the Downloads page. Here you're going to find the option of Reason. Click on that drop down. Now change your reason. Sometimes switching reasons helps restore a stable connection, and that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Steam no connection issue and get back into gaming without any problems. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.